Okay, so in this video, we are going to make a very simple ball rig. It's a little bit more complicated than you might imagine to start with this, but pretty straightforward once you know the steps. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a shape sphere, and then I'm going to convert that. I'm going to go to the actor menu here and convert it to a static mesh. And it's going to ask me to save it somewhere. I'm just going to call it um, SM static mesh save. I'm just going to save it here. And I'm going to just do a save all here. And now I can actually remove this from my level. You see down level, the asterisk there, that's changed because it was in the level for a while. Now it's not, but I don't need it to be there. Now I'm going to convert this skeletal mesh. So I say a few steps, create the sphere, convert to a static mesh, then convert to a skeletal mesh. It's going to give me an option. It's going to say again, where I want to save it. It's going to replace the name. It's going to replace the prefix I added, SM sphere, to SKM, skeletal mesh. But the most important option really is root bone placement. By default, it'll create it at the bottom of the mesh, which is a natural enough place if you're rigging a normal kind of character. But in this case, I'm going to pick it. I'm going to pick the center option because that's going to put the main joint right in the middle of the sphere, which will just make it simpler to rig. And I'm going to hit convert. And now you'll see I've got these two new objects here, a skeleton and a skeletal mesh. I do a save all again. And now I'm going to select the skeletal mesh. I'm going to do one more kind of converted thing. This time I'm going to create, I right clicked on that. I'm going to create a control rig. And now I've got a SKM sphere control rig. So it's a bit of a long name. So I'm going to hit F2 just to rename it. I'm just going to call it something nice and simple, control rig sphere. So now we have something. It is basically, it has everything set up for rigging. So I'm going to enable that or select it. So this is what we have. Basically, we've got a sphere and we've got a joint in the middle of it. Almost everything we need. We're going to keep this rig super simple. We're not going to do anything complicated for this thing. We just want something we can just bounce and scale a little bit. With the root joint selected, I'm going to create new elements. I'm going to call it control. So this root control has been created. And I'm going to go over to the details panel here. And I'm going to change the shape of it. I'm going to open the shape properties. This is a bit like in my nodes have like something that like a control for a character has like a shape node, and then it has like a transform node. So I'm going to change the shape properties to a circle and make it pick one. It's a bit small, so I'm going to click on this and then just start scaling up here. I think I probably need a fairly large one. Let's try 12. Actually, that's not bad. Yeah, I think I'll go with that. I'm also change the color so it doesn't. And so that is our control and our joint and our mesh. But we just need now a way to connect them. So we're going to do some super simple rigging. I'm going to drag the control in here. And it's going to ask me, it's going to give me these options. I'm going to go get control. And then I'm going to drag the root joint in here again. And then I'm going to set bone. And all I'm going to do then is, you'll see these orange things there. I'm going to connect the transform out to the value in. So it's basically going to take the transform, the position. I'm basically kind of creating like a parent constraint. It's also going to have scale in it as well, because if I untick this, you can see there's also rotation, translation, and scales. And then to make sure that that is actually calculated, I just need to connect the forward solve. I'm just going to click and drag to the execute pin here, and then hit compile. And that's it. That is our rig done. If I select this now and hit W, you can see as I move it, it moves the sphere. And it's rotating it. It's hard to see because it's a sphere, but it is actually rotating it as well. So that is our rig. I'm just going to hit save all. And I'm going to pause the video for now. That is our rig basically done. And in the next video then we'll create a level sequence for it and we'll start animating it. Cheers.